What's up, guys? Today we're going to play block fruits, some block fruits, and I got blizzard fruit. I don't know gas fruit for some reason because it's a standing fruit for me. So yeah, I eat gas over. I ate blizzard. Yeah. Boom! Die. Die. Now I'm going to over. And blizzard everyone. But it's die. Let's go. We got it. Just kills. Yeah. Yeah. Let's test it out. Die. Let's test it out. Domain expansion. Oh my gosh. Holy. Bro, that's a big deal. I'm doing so much. Not that much. But the cooldown takes oh, it's a good film. So good for learning. Let's do some grinding videos, yo. Let's do some grinding videos. And just grind with it. No, just grind with it. Grind. I grind over here. Yeah. I grind over here. Let me just do this one quest, right? Let me see where it goes. Does it go? Go. Bounty hunting. This is my combo of favorite, alright? So do this. Wait. And who am I with combat, bro? I'm not joking. Yes, so big range. Yo. You wanna die? Die. Oh, I missed. Die. Hey, anyone here, bro? You want a piece of junk? Bro, come here. Die. Alright, wait. Maybe I should done it, man. I'm not joking, bro. Like, bro, I'm done with it, bro. He escaped. Yo, what? Bullying, bruise, harassment. Okay, bro, chill. Like I said, I ate gas over. What was that? Yeah. I ate gas over blizzard. That's so bad.